Hey guys, welcome back to Hashtag Straight Poop. Thanks for joining us here. I'm in my WHA, World Hockey Association Chicago Cougars shirt. Man, I love that league, even though they stole Bobby Hull. We'll get more into NHL and WHA stuff when we start cooking, so why don't you guys join us here in our chef's kitchen. Come on, we'll be right back. I got some cannabis oil on here and I triple filter this stuff or drain it. And then I'm doing a vegetarian dish. I've got some baby kale and I'm dumping it in there. And it's organic. And just like any leafy green veggie, it's mostly water. So we have to get this good and tight, which means getting the juice out of there. So I'm on 5, I'm raising it to 6. We're gonna get this nice and wilted. Because there's people, I'm accessible by email. And there's people like, yeah, you do barbecue, but you do any, and you cook with grass, but do you do any vegan dishes? I do everything. I'm a chef. And when I operated my barbecue catering company, I would get people who had vegan guests or whoever else, and yes, we would accommodate. So I could cook almost anything I want, or anything you want, but I am retired, so I don't cater for anybody. Not even family or friends. Especially family or friends. Okay, salt and pepper. Salt will help reduce this down, break this down a little bit. Yeah, if you ever want to break something down really good, put salt in there. Yeah, this is looking good, man. Now, I'm putting some vinegar, some keef, some oregano. Okay. I cook with a lot of vinegar. I cook with a lot of cannabis oil. I hardly cook with butter. I lost 250 pounds, man, and I don't want to put it back on, and I think like eating butter is just not good for me. Okay. Now, see how simple this is? This is a good side dish. It's good roughage. Yeah, we try to eat this at least once a week. And the stems, they get nice, soft, and pliable. But I'm trying to get this tight. So let's cook this liquid out. And while we do that, let's add a little bit of ginger. Garlic. There we go. And I'm going to squeeze some lemon in there too. There we go. Yeah, I mean, my cookbook, which is free to all you guys, the 125 barbecue cannabis recipes. You don't have to make them with the dope, the weed, or the ganja, whatever you want to call it. You don't have to. They're great recipes besides. But yeah, I have side dishes in there, and you should grab one. It's 125 recipes and 230 pages. It's an actual book. Not some newsletter from some guy who's hiding his face and his eyes, thinking he's a part of the Mexican cartel. Nothing. Poser. Okay, and you guys all know who I'm talking about because he spammed me in the comments. Yeah, you know what, I'm not going to take any crap from anybody, especially a 32-year-old who thinks he's been around, who's never seen a Thai stick or a Malawi cob. Okay. This is great. Now, grind. And just a little smidge. Let that go and get a bowl. Yeah, baby. Okay. And it's still nice and green, and you want to know why? A little bit of vinegar. You want to keep your veggies green? Add some vinegar. Works great in mustard greens, collards, turnip greens, any type of green you want to cook. Even beet greens. You could use the leaves of the beet root. Okay. Let's get that off. Let's get that on. Yeah. Well, it's not exactly the great size plate for this dish, but I needed a smaller dish, but that's okay. But I've got some of these. I love these. Jerky onions. Yeah, man. You know what? My mom used to always get them from my younger brother, and me and him got into a fist fight over these one day. Yeah, believe it or not, boys will be boys. But I'm older, so I beat his ass in. But yeah, that's it, man. This is my kale. For you vegans out there, sorry I didn't have a smaller bowl that was clean. I just grabbed whatever I grabbed. But yeah, it's all medicated, it's all cannabinized. And you can grab our free e-cookbook by following the graphics and going to the comments section and following the link, clicking the link at the top and getting your free e-cookbook. That's from me to you. So next time, we will see you on #StraightPoop. The dogs love you. And one other thing I forgot to do. A little bit of lemon juice. Okay, sorry for the plate looking like this, like total crap. But it does taste good. And I'm not a food artist, okay? So, we'll see you next time on #StraightPoop. Take it easy and hang loose.